During winters and weather changes, cough and cold become super common, especially in children and elders. As an Ayurvedic doctor, I always prefer gentle, natural support for respiratory comfort. Ayurveda brings together some amazing herbs for seasonal wellness. Tulsi to keep your system strong, Kali Mirchi to clear congestion or heaviness, Mulethi to clear the throat, lemon for a fresh boost. A herbal winter companion. That's why I love Amrut Tulsi cup syrup. Herbal, non-drowsy, non-alcoholic. A simple, natural way to support easy breathing.